to day number 4 of this week for our daily devotional series. It's been a blast hanging out with you this week, and we've got one more day today to hang out and do devotions with each other, and then we will be back again next week. But today we're going to be in the very back half of the Bible, but we'll get there in a second. So to kick things off, as usual, what are the things we need? Say it with me. We need our handy dandy devotional sheet. We need our wonderful Bible. Very important. Remember, when we're doing devotions, we want to make sure we've got our Bible with us. We need a pen or a pencil to help us write things down. And we need our notebook so we can write down and do our SOAP devotional. Remember, scripture, observations, application, and prayer. So today, our last day for this week, but don't worry, we're going to be back again next week. So today, we're talking out of Hebrews. Hebrews, it is it's among the last books of the Bible. So as you can see, my Bible on this side is very thin. There's only a few more books of the Bible, and then it's the end. So Hebrews, the New Testament, very back in the Bible. We're going to take a look at Hebrews chapter 12, verse 14. So make sure you get there. Remember, it's make sure you got it really thin on this side. Get all the way through all the Old Testament, most of the New Testament. You're going to hit Hebrews. Hebrews chapter 12. Remember, that chapter number is a big number, and the verse number is a very tiny number. It's a baby number. But we're going to be in Hebrews chapter 12, verse 14. And it says, "Strive for peace with everyone, and for the holiness without which no one will see the Lord." I think we need to read that first sentence again. What about you? Strive for peace with everyone. I forgot that, when we forgive somebody, there's a sense of peace that comes after it. Sometimes we get so angry, so mad, but when we forgive, there's a calming that comes after it. We really want to strive for peace, and we really want to work towards it. When we get so angry and so mad, sometimes our whole body tenses up and we can't move. Or you start to feel sweaty, or you start to feel achy because you've tensed up so much because you're so angry. But it's those moments where we need to remember that forgiveness is a good thing, and we really have to do it ourselves. So that way we can relax and bring peace. All right. Before we close it out, remember we got to get our notebook and our pen. And we're going to write in our verse, and we're going to write out some of the applications and a prayer. Here we go. I don't know about you, but I really like our devotional time together. And I get quite a bit out of it when I sit and I really focus on what Jesus has to say in his word. I hope you had a really fun week with me. It's been fantastic getting to be with you guys, even via technology. I really miss all of you, and hopefully we'll get to see each other soon. But before we close out, I want us to think again about our verse today. Because the very beginning of that verse is so important. Strive for peace with everyone. When it comes to forgiveness, we want to bring peace along with forgiveness. So this week, when you feel yourself getting so mad or so angry because somebody did something so mean to you, I want you to think of this, and I want you to remember this word. Try. It's just a 3-letter word. T-R-Y. Try. I want you to try and bring peace. When you're so mad because maybe your little brother or your little sister did something, remember, try and bring peace. Don't get angry right away. Be cool, calm, and collected. And go, you know what? It's going to be okay. When you get frustrated and angry because somebody said something really, really mean to you, remember, try. Try and have peace. Sometimes we fail, and that's okay. But as long as we keep trying, that's the best part. And Jesus always helps us to try and do better. Guys, it's been a wonderful week spending time with you. Remember, try to keep bringing peace. And we're going to be back again this next week with more about forgiveness. I love you all, and I'll see you all later.